Family, it's your boy Black Phoenix checking in with you this morning, man. Just wanted to say something, man, to my folks who are out here really grinding and struggling and hustling to do their business the correct way and get things off the ground. And I know when you're going through different people to try to get loans, the traditional way, trying to get loans and try to get people to invest in your vision. Things can get real frustrating, man, because you know people don't see things the way you see them, and then you got to think about this too. If someone invests more money in your vision than you do, then they feel like they can control it. So that's common sense to me. So invest more in what you want to do. I mean, now to me, honestly, it's the day to do whatever you want to do. Invest in it. Like me personally, like I'm about, well, I'm doing it, but I'm about to do it even more stronger. That the things that I want, instead of me steady going to these different people, um, having to deal with BS. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna be on my own. You know what I mean? Oh, you want a body shop to do mechanic work, to sell cars, whatever. I'm gonna build my own. You know what I'm saying? I'm tired of going through the middle, man. You know what I mean? I'm tired of going through that where someone feel like they can control you. Because one thing I know, if you create your own content and you build it, like they would say, if you build it, they will come. You know what I mean? And if you got a concept that's different than others, and you giving reasonable prices that actually helping the people, and then giving something back to the people, and also, everybody know people in business to make money. So you making money and you helping people. You know what I'm saying? And you doing you able to do everything you want to do. You see what I'm saying? So that's very important to me, man. So I would just say this year is the year, most definitely, man, to invest in it. You believe in it, invest in it. Put your money where your mouth is. You want to do this, you talk about you a boss. Well, let's do some real boss shit this year. You know what I mean? Let's start these LLCs, man. Let's get these business going. Let's start some corporations. Let's start buying back the hood, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's start getting some stuff going on. You know what I mean? Because hey, if we invest in it, bro, if we get it going the proper way, people will respect it. You know what I mean? It is what it is. It ain't nothing gonna be easy, but we can do it, man. You know what I mean? We just got to stay focused and really know what we want to do. You know what I'm saying? When it's all said and done, man. So, you know what I mean? Just stop waiting on handouts, man. Stop waiting on handouts. Stop asking for handouts. You know what I mean? Just go get it. If you got to go work and you got to go suffer to get a cheaper job in order to get enough money to invest in your dream, go do that, man. Do what needs to be done. That's what I was taught. You know what I mean? I'm from the South. My daddy couldn't read or write. Barely. You know what I'm saying? Didn't finish school, like no education. But I'm going to tell you one thing, my daddy kept a car. You know what I'm saying? He kept a nice truck, like a newer one. You know what I'm saying? He kept some clean stuff. He dressed nice, you know what I'm saying? And he kept a hustle. And his hustle was working on cars. Ain't that ironic? Using his hands. Now I'm a welder, fabricator, millwright, iron worker, all the above, you know what I'm saying? Using what? My hands. So, you know what I mean? Sometimes you got to take it back to the basics, man. I mean, one thing that's a fact. I watched my daddy make it, even though me and him didn't see eye to eye growing up. I watched my daddy survive off of his hustle. You see what I'm saying? So, if you got a skill, if you got an ability, and you know how to use it the right way, man, there's no reason why you should suffer. You see what I'm saying? There's no reason why you should make a come up. But you got to invest in you. You got to. Or you ain't gonna never get nowhere.